Do you also get this type of error whenever you try installing driver, especially on a very old desktop or laptop computer? In my case, the computer I'm trying to install this graphic driver on is about 20 years old. It's the HP Compact 2450 microtower desktop computer. And here, as you can see, the only available driver from the HP website is that of Windows XP. There isn't even that of Windows 7. So, and I have already installed Windows 10 on this computer. But then again, I have installed the correct graphic driver on this computer. As you can see here, it's displaying the correct information of the graphic card on this computer. So without too much further ado, let me show you guys how to get the correct driver to work on your newer version of Windows that you've just installed on a very old computer. So all that you have to do is, let's close this. All that you have to do is you head over to your start. Right here, you type in DXDIAG, just in case you don't know the model of your computer, or maybe you are not sure of the graphic card on your computer, which stands for DXDIAG. Then you select it and then you click on yes. So this window right here is going to open, where this is the default page, the first screen, where you see the model of your computer right here. So you can see it's the HP Compact DX2450 microtower PC in my case. So you head over to display and click where you get to know if it's NVIDIA or ATI, because this model ships with either NVIDIA or ATI. So in my case, it's NVIDIA. In your case, you might see those integrated basic display driver or basic integrated driver. So after knowing the model of your computer, you now head over to your browser. Where you type in the model of your computer in Google. So after typing in the model of your computer in Google, as you can see here, we want to check the spec sheet so we know the model of the graphic card on the computer. So in my case, I typed it in and then I opened this PDF file where it brought me to the spec sheet. And as you can see here, it says NVIDIA NForce 430 chipset is the graphic device. Is the graphic card on the computer. So I now headed over to Google. I copied that and then pasted it in Google and included chipset driver. So as you can see, NVIDIA NForce 430 chipset driver. So it now took me to the first result there is from NVIDIA, as you can see, which is the official manufacturer of the graphic card. So you just click on it to open. And this is the model that worked for my computer. I downloaded this model, which is right here. It was designed to work on Windows XP and Windows Vista 64-bit. My current Windows installation is Windows 10 64-bit. So here is the software right here, 200 and something MB. So this is the model that worked for me. In your case, it might be another model. Most probably your installation might be on 32-bit or 64-bit. That you have to make sure as well from your system properties or from that DXDIAG tool as well, so you know which one to download. If you've enjoyed this video tutorial and you find it helpful, ensure you share and like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. I love you guys so much. To have a nice day.